Welcome to the Spotlight Business Report. I'm Richard Anton. Today, we're talking about the most valuable asset you own. And it's not money, it's time. If you're in your 20s, you have a mathematical superpower that a billionaire in his 50s would trade everything for. It's called the long-term horizon. Most people think investing is for rich people or finance bros in Patagonia vests, but waiting is the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. Inflation is the silent tax that eats your savings while you sleep. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, you're actually losing wealth every single day. The stock market has survived wars, recessions, and global panics. Through it all, it has averaged a return of about 10% annually over the long haul. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He wasn't kidding. Let's look at how it actually works for you. Imagine investing just $100 a month. In your 20s, that's the price of a few fancy dinners or a subscription you don't use. By the time you retire, that small monthly habit has snowballed into hundreds of thousands of dollars. That is the magic of the early start. I know the market feels risky. You see red numbers on the news and you want to run. But in your 20s, volatility is actually your best friend. It's called dollar cost averaging. You buy more when prices are low and less when they're high. Over time, you're buying the average, and the average wins. So, how do you actually start? It's easier than ever. You don't need a broker in a suit. You just need a phone and 5 minutes. Look into index funds or ETFs. They let you own a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America all at once. Diversification is built in. The key isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Set it to autopay, forget it's even happening, and let the system do the heavy lifting. Investing isn't about buying a Lambo tomorrow, it's about buying your freedom 20 years from now. It's about saying no to a job you hate. Every year you wait is a year of compounding you can never get back. Waiting just 5 years can cost you 6 figures in the long run. We live in an era where the barriers to entry are zero. Fractional shares mean you can start with literally $1. There are no excuses left. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to be disciplined. Read, learn, and stay curious about where the world is going. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. The same applies to your brokerage account. Use tax-advantaged accounts if you can. If your employer offers a match, that is literally free money on the table. Take it every single time. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A broad mix keeps you in the game and protects you when things get shaky. The hardest part of investing isn't the math, it's the emotions. When the market drops, don't panic sell. That's when the real wealth is made. Life moves fast. Your money should move with it. Start the journey today. Even if it's just with $5, just get started. To recap, start early to win the time arbitrage. Be consistent regardless of the news. And always think in decades, not days. I wish someone had told me this when I was 22. Consider this your official wake-up call. The market is open. Are you in? Every data point, every market shift, every opportunity, we cover it so you can master it. This is the Spotlight Business Report. Start small. Start today and let time do the work. Your future self will thank you for the courage you showed in your 20s. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time was yesterday. The second perfect time is right this second. Thanks for watching the Spotlight Business Report. I'm Richard Anton. Good luck out there and happy investing. Spotlight Business Report. Data-driven, fearless, fueled, produced by Richard Fakrai. All rights reserved.